got no rules, I count 'em. I got no rules, I count 'em. Bread, been down, bread, been down, right, bread, been down, been open.
All right, welcome back. We're on problem 21 out of 25. This video is for Math 1 student, first semester final. All right, so we're going to look at problem 21. The equation of the line is given below. 3x minus 6y equal to 18. Find x and y intercept, then use them to graph the line. So, as we learned in class, x-intercept, y going to be 0. Y will be equal to 0. So 3x minus 6y equal to 18. When y is 0, you plug in 0 for y. Basically, you cross out the y, right? Because negative 6 times 0 is nothing. It disappears. So the big idea is cross out the y. So 3x equal to 18. Then we continue solving for x. We divide by 3 on both sides. X equal to 6. So this is your x-intercept is 6. Okay, we're going to do a similar step for the y-axis. Y-intercept. Y-intercept, x is 0, right? The opposite. Y-intercept, x is 0. X-intercept, y is 0. So 3x minus 6y equals to 18. Plug in 0 for x. Means that 3 times 0 is 0. We cross that out. Leave you with negative 6y equal to 18. A lot of people will make mistake on this. Most of students forget to bring down the negative sign. So please take a note for yourself that make sure you bring down negative sign. Okay. Then after that, we can solve for x, solve for y by divide negative 6 on both sides. Then y equal to negative 3 as the answer. That is y-intercept, negative 3. All right, so now we're going to graph this. X-intercept is the point on the x-axis, which is 6. Y-intercept is the point on the y-axis, which is negative 3. All right, then what we're going to do is connect 2 points with a line. And that's it. Number 21. All right. Problem 22. Okay. For each equation, determine whether it is a linear equation or not. So linear equation mean a straight line. Will you get a straight line when you graph each equation down here? So somebody can tell me that the linear equation is y equal to mx plus b, right? That is the formula that we're familiar with. Y equal to mx plus b is a linear equation. I agree. So y equal to 4, is this one a linear equation? What do you think? The answer is yes. Okay, this basically is y equal to 0x plus 4. 0 times x disappeared. That's the reason why you only see y is 4. Okay. Now, y equal to negative 5x squared plus 3 is not a linear equation because of the power. Linear equation has the power is 1, which we never mentioned that because it's obvious x is x to the first power. So this is a no. And matter of fact, if you graph this, you would get a parabola. Okay. In this case, it's negative parabola, but that is your math 2. You're going to focus on that later on. Y equal to 6x plus 1. This is already in the right format, so that will be a yes. Okay. Y equal to negative x. This is also the same format. Y equal to mx plus b, where is your b? 0. So this is also a yes. All right, so we go to number 23. Okay, so how do you graph a linear equation? So you have 3 options here. You can use x and y intercept like we just did 2 problems ago, or you can do rise over run, which is my favorite method. So first we're going to do is get y by itself. We need to move the x 2x mean is positive 2x. You have to subtract 2x on both sides. Y equal to, do not overthinking this problem. We don't add or subtract them. They're not like term. All we did is bring out the negative 2x and bring down the negative 2. I didn't do anything to two of them. I just bring them straight down. Okay, so by doing that, then you will have y equal to mx plus b. Where is your m? Is the slope, negative 2. And your b, in this case, is also negative 2. Pretty nice. B is negative 2. All right, so to graph this, you're going to start with the b. B stands for the beginning. You begin at negative 2. The slope will tell you the pattern, rise over run. Now, to get rise over run, I need to put 2 in fraction. So that will be 2 over 1, because 2 divided by 1 is still 2. Okay, so now I have a fraction. I can do rise and run. Since it's negative 2, we're going to go down instead of up. And positive 1, you go to the right instead of left. So down 2 over 1. 1, 2 down over 1. 2 down over 1. Then we draw a line, go through that 3 points. And that's it. Easy, right? Okay. If you need more time on this one, just pause the video and rewatch it. Number 24. Okay, so for each order pair, determine where it is a solution to 6x minus 7y equal to negative 19. So what we have to do is plug in x and y. What do I mean by that? 6x minus 7y equal to negative 19. We're going to look at the first point. Your x value is 3. Your y value is 0. Sorry. Your y value is 0. Okay, how do we plug it in? So x is 3. This number will go in place of x. And y is 0. Y is 0 will go in place of y. Okay. So that will give us 6 times 3 minus 7 times 0 equal to negative 19. And are they equal to each other? 6 times 8 is 18. Minus 7 times 0 is 0. Are they equal to negative 19? 18 minus 0 is 18. Is not equal to negative 19. So this is not a solution. Okay, that's it. The idea is plug in x and y. Okay, we're going to do it one more time. 6x minus 7y equal to negative 19. We will check the next point, this one, x and y. Okay, so your x value is negative 2. We're going to take this and plug into the x. It's negative 2. So 6 times negative 2. Then we plug in the next point. Y is 1. We're going to take this and plug it in place of y. Minus 7 times 1. Is that equal to negative 19? Then we have to work it out. 6 times negative 2 is negative 12. Negative 7 times 1 is negative 7. Are they equal to negative 19? The answer is yes. Negative 12 minus 7, same signs we add, is negative 19 equal to negative 19. So this is a yes. All right, one more for good luck. Okay, so 5 and 7. We're going to check 5 and 7. Start with the equation 6x minus 7y equal to negative 19. 5 and 7 is x and y, right? So your x is 5. I don't know if I can draw it. That will be 6 times 5. Your y value is 7. So this go up here. That will be minus 7 times 7. Is that equal to negative 19? So 6 times 5 is 30. minus 7 times 7 is 49. Is that equal to negative 19? 30 minus 49 is negative 19. It's equal to negative 19. Then the answer is yes, they are. This is a solution. All right, that's it. And you can try the last one. The idea is the same. Plug in x and y. All right, last number 25. Okay, to write an equation for a table. So first, we're gonna start with the beginning. Y-intercept. Y-intercept is always begin with 0. Okay, so your first point 0, 5. That is your y-intercept. Is 5. Okay, to find slope, you're gonna find the change in y over change in x. What is my change in y here? Okay, 3 to get 5, you add 2. 5 to get 7, you add 2. 7 to get 9, you add 2. So the pattern is adding 2. Delta y is 2. Now what is the pattern in x? Negative 1 to get 0, you add 1. 0 to get 1, you add 1. So the pattern of x, delta x, is 1. Slope is delta y over delta x. That will be 2 over 1, which is 2. A lot of people are going to make mistake here. Make sure y over x, not the other way around. Okay, y over x. All right, then your equation, y equals to mx plus b, y equal to 2x plus 5. And that's it. All right. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope that you will study well. Okay, make sure you do your practice test. You earn extra credit. If you have 60%, you get 1 extra credit. 70 is 2, 3, 80 is 3, so on and so forth. So 5 points is the max that you can earn, and this is a lot. It can bump someone to another grade level, another grade letter on your test. All right. Thanks everyone for watching, and see you next time. I don't know when is the next video, but see you in the next video.